Hello friends. Today we have another tablet for repair. The tablet does not charge, and in this video we will change the USB socket. Let's start disassembling. What do I see, friends? Here the USB is filled with compound, which makes replacement a little more difficult. You need to remove it first and not overheat the microphone, which is very close, as well as two connectors. Therefore, you need to do the work very carefully. Now I have already applied the flux and will continue to solder the USB with the solder in the BGA balls. They are very convenient to work with where you need very little solder so as not to solder two adjacent legs. The work is finished. Let's look at the result under the microscope. As you can see, the soldering quality is ideal, better than at the factory. This completes the USB replacement. Now you need to assemble the tablet and check how it charges. I forgot to install the rubber cover on the microphone. I'll disassemble it behind the scenes and put the rubber on. I just need to screw in 4 screws and it's done. As you can see, the tablet is now charging. That's all friends. See you in the next videos.